Well, today's recipe is not only tasty, but it's another super easy one because we're going to be making it in the crock pot. Now to start this recipe out, just grab 4 medium russet potatoes, wash those potatoes, peel them, and then thinly slice them. Now once you have your potatoes sliced, we're going to head on to the crock pot and give it a good spray with some non-stick cooking spray. Now to that crock pot, you're going to add your sliced potatoes and be sure to spread those out into an even layer. To the potatoes, we're going to season them with salt and pepper, and really any seasonings that you like to use in your casseroles. That could be some garlic, Mrs. Dash, just whatever you enjoy. Now once you have those potatoes good and seasoned, we're going to add our ham. Spread it evenly on top of the potatoes, breaking up each of the big pieces. Now you're going to grab 1 can of cream of chicken soup and add it to a small bowl. Now just fill up that soup can with some milk and add it to the soup and give it a good stir. Now that that's well combined, we're going to add 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Just pour that mixture right on top of your ham and potatoes and spread it out evenly on top. Dice 1 small onion and spread it on top of your potato mixture. Season that with some dried parsley flakes and some paprika. Place the lid on it and you can cook that on high for 4 to 6 hours or on low for 6. Tasty potatoes, ham, and cheese recipe. It's super filling and your family's gonna love it. Well, if you enjoyed today's recipe, I hope you'll give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new here, I'd love it if you'd subscribe. Thanks for stopping by, friends, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye!